Hi and welcome to the Shopware release news for the version 6.4.16 October 2022. In this video we're going to together have a look at some of the new features like custom default layouts for category pages and new improvements in the B2B suite. So let's get down to it. Let's start with the own default layout in shopping experiences. In shopping experiences you can design layouts and store pages. If you create a new category page, it's automatically based on the Shopware default layout. But what if you have a custom created layout that you want to use as a basis for the new category page? In the new release, you can set custom layouts as the default layout. So this will save you clicks and time because you won't have to make changes to the layout afterwards anymore. So let's see how it looks like in practical in the admin. So we go to the under content shopping experiences and I select the newly created test category layout. So assume that you are okay with the design, you have done all the editings and you want to assign this as the default layout for the category pages. So here under the assignment you want to click this set as default layout, and a window pops up asking whether we want to use this as the default layout for the category pages. So we just confirm it and save the layout, and as you can see the gray badge is appeared here on the top of the page layout, and when we close and look at the layouts list, also a gray badge is displayed here in the preview of the default layout just we have created recently. Secondly, let's talk about a little bit about the commercial news made on the B2B suite new edition. So a new update has been received on the B2B suite where you can add the products to the order list more easily and quickly, and a couple of more improvements are also made in the B2B suite in the new edition, and this is available since the mid of September this year. So let's have a look how these changes look like in the front end. We are now in the front end and I'm logged in as a B2B adapter, and you now see the order list in the B2B platform in the front end. So as we said, you can now search for the product names and the numbers directly in the order lists, and set the quantity for the order, and also you can type in any comment here if you like. It's also possible to change the product name here, and we can search for the other products and add to the list as you wish. If you have wrongly added products in the list, you can easily click on the delete button here and remove from the list. Additionally, you can control searching and adding new entries to order lists completely via the keyboard if you like, and also we have improved the mobile design as well. Also, we appreciate all GitHub contributors for the pull-up requests we could merge into this version.